everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Dose with Alia Mehar. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. I'm so happy you found this little corner of the internet. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs confidence, motivation, and English practice today. Your one click honestly supports me more than you think, and it makes this family grow. All right, let's talk. Let's really talk today. You know, every day when I sit to record these sessions for you, I imagine someone sitting quietly in their room, someone who wants to speak English fluently, someone who has so many thoughts in their mind, but the words just don't come out. I imagine you sitting there, maybe with headphones, maybe after a long, tiring day. Maybe you're studying, maybe you're working, maybe you're a mom. Maybe you're a student who feels lost sometimes. And I always ask myself, how can I help this person feel heard today? How can I make them believe that they can speak confidently? Because English is not about grammar only. It's also about emotions, confidence, fear, courage, and everyday tiny battles. I know you understand English. I know you watch shows, reels, videos, listen to music, and you know everything. But the moment you try to talk, something happens. Your brain freezes, your mouth locks, your voice becomes shaky. Does that happen to you? Yeah, I know. I've read your messages. You know what's the biggest problem? We all think other people speak perfectly, but they don't. Nobody speaks perfectly. People just speak. That's the only difference. They speak. You stay quiet. And silence kills confidence. Slowly, silently, painfully. But trust me, you can change this. You can train your tongue, your mouth, your brain, just like a muscle. You can train it to talk confidently. And that's what today's video is here for. Let me tell you something emotional today. Sometimes, not being able to speak English makes people feel small. They feel behind in life. They feel less smart, less capable. And honestly, that hurts my heart when I see you feeling that way. Because English is just a language. It does not decide your intelligence, your value, or your worth. But I also understand your need. I know you need English for your work, studies, career, dreams, and that's why we are here, together. Today's session is your safe space, your practice space, your little confidence gym. If you stay with me today, if you repeat with me, if you speak out loud, you will feel a shift. A small shift, but very real. Your mouth will open more easily. Words will start flowing. Sentences will stop slipping away. Your tongue will stop hesitating. Your mind will stop overthinking. English becomes easier when you stop being scared of it. Think of this video as your speaking partner, your daily ritual, your confidence training. You don't need a friend to practice. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need your voice. And today, we are giving that voice the freedom it deserves. Before we start practicing, I want to ask you something. Are you proud of yourself today? Even a little? Because you should be. You showed up. You chose growth. You chose learning. You chose you. And that matters. I know life is busy. Family, work, studies, pressure, stress. But you still came here to improve. That tells me something. You won't give up on yourself. And don't worry, I won't let you give up either. Okay, now listen. When we start today's confident speaking practice, you are going to repeat after me loudly. Yes, loudly. Not whispering, not mumbling. I want your voice to come out with power. Because when you speak loudly, your brain says, okay, he is serious. We're doing this. Your confidence needs this moment. Your future self needs this practice. So get ready. Sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. And get ready to sound like a confident person. Because today, we are training your mind and your mouth. And by the end of this video, your English will feel smoother, stronger, and more natural. Okay, let's begin the practice. I'm right here with you. Hi, how are you today? Take a moment and answer me out loud. Really. How are you today? I'm doing good. And you? I'm doing good too. A little tired, but happy to be here with you. So, tell me, what are you doing right now? Are you sitting, walking, resting? I'm sitting and listening. Nice. That's perfect. Today we're going to have a simple, friendly conversation, like two friends talking. No pressure, no grammar, no fear. You ready? Yes, I'm ready. So tell me, what time did you wake up today? Say it out loud. What time did you wake up today? Good. And what's the first thing you did in the morning? Nice. Now repeat this after me. I started my morning slowly. Repeat it. I took a little time for myself. Repeat. Good. Very natural. Okay, now tell me this. How are you feeling today? Say it out loud. Thank you for saying that. Now practice these sentences with me. I'm trying my best. Repeat. I'm improving every day. Repeat. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning. Again. Beautiful. These sentences build emotional confidence. Now imagine you're talking to a friend. Tell me, what did you do today? Perfect. Now repeat after me. I had a normal day. Repeat. I did a few things here and there. Repeat. And now I'm practicing English. Repeat. See? You're already talking smoothly. Okay, now let's grow your confidence a little more. Repeat after me loudly. I can speak English. I'm getting better every single day. I don't have to be perfect to speak. My voice matters. I believe in myself. Good. Your voice sounded strong. Now, let's practice real small talk, the kind you use in everyday life. What are your plans for today? Nice. Now, try this one. What are you going to eat today? Perfect. Now this one. What do you want to improve in your English? Say it. Good job. That was smooth. Okay, last part. A little deeper. I want you to answer honestly. Why do you want to improve your English? Say it out loud. Don't be shy. Thank you for saying that. And remember, your reason is powerful. It will take you forward. Repeat after me. I will improve. I will improve. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. And I'm getting better with every practice. Beautiful. You did so well today. I am proud of you. Really. You showed up, you spoke, you practiced, and that's everything. Okay, take a deep breath with me. You did something beautiful today. You didn't just listen, you spoke. You didn't just watch, you participated. That's a big difference, a powerful difference. And I want to tell you something important. Even if your English wasn't perfect today, even if you hesitated, even if some words didn't come out right, it's okay. It's completely okay. Because this is how real improvement happens. Slowly, quietly, consistently. You showed up. You practiced. You tried. And that is something to be proud of. I know life gets busy, and it's not always easy to find time, energy, motivation. But look at you. You still came here. You still gave yourself these minutes. That means you care about your future. You care about your dreams. And I am so proud of you for that. So, before you click away, do one thing for me. Smile. Just a small one, because you did something good today, something for yourself, something for your growth. And if you liked this session, if it helped you, if you want more daily English speaking practice, please subscribe, like the video, and comment, I practiced today. Your comments motivate me to create more for you, and they help others feel they're not alone. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for trusting me. And thank you for showing up for yourself. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Take care, stay kind, and keep speaking every day, even a little. Bye. Take care.